Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain the arithmetic and assignment operators in C. Understanding basic concepts, that is the operators in C programming. It is represented by Mohan Karnoos. Introduction. Operators are symbols that performs operations on variables and values. Means each and every symbol that is used in the C programming or any language that performs any operations are called as the operators. The variable it can be the operation can be performed either on variable or on values, means either on alphabets, either on numbers, means alphanumeric values. In C, operators are categorized based on the types of operations they perform. There are multiple 7 to 8 types of operators in C programming, but today this representation focuses on the arithmetic operators and assignment operators. So let's get started for that. So the arithmetic operators are, it is used to perform basic mathematical operations, means all the basic operations we do perform in mathematics, simple mathematics are, or those, and the operators used are called as the arithmetic operators, such as here the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. Here for the example I have taken a equals to b, means it's called as initialization, and equals to 10 and b equals to 5. Therefore, addition and respective operations will be occurred as follows. For example, if we write a program for to execute or to demonstrate the arithmetic operators, then firstly we have to write the header files as usual, and I have declared and initialized also here a equals to 20 and b equals to 2. So I return the printf statement for all 5 operators here for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. We know that in C programming division tends to the remainder, division tends to the quotient, and the modulus tends to the remainder. So according to that, the output would be as A is equals to 20 and B is equals to 2, the addition would be 22, a subtraction 18, division would be 40, and 20 divided by 2 would be 10, and therefore it is completely divisible, hence the modulus is 0. This would be the output. Now let's go for assignment operators. It is used to assign the values to variables. Here, all those operators which is used to assign the values to the variables, means we are assigning the values to any variable here. Like here example is a equals to 5. Okay, here a is the variable, b is the value, and equals to is the operator, assignment operator, which is used to assign the value to the variable. Here we have used equal to operator, which is assignment operator, to give or to assign the value 5 to the variable a. Here are the assignment operators add and sign. If we write a plus equals to 5, which means automatically the a will result as memory as a plus 5, and a into equals to 5 means a into here 5. Okay, similar for division operators also. Let us see the examples of assignment operators. Here I have just initialized a and have used just one variable, which is a equals to 10. I am just demonstrating the assignment operator, so I don't need here the second variable. So if a plus equals to 5 means a equals to a plus 5, which means a, here I have initialized a equals to 10, therefore 10 plus 5, which implies 50. Respectively, all those operations will be occurred and the values of a would be printed. So in summary, the arithmetic operators help performing basic mathematics operations, right? We have seen that. The arithmetic operators are used to perform the basic mathematical operations. An assignment operator is specifically used to assign the values to any variable or and uh, arithmetic operators are applicable for both alphabets and the numbers, means alphanumeric values, isn't it? And the assignment operator simplifies expression by combining arithmetic with assignment. Yes, as we can use a plus equal to 5, which means a equals to a plus 5, right? Which means it simplifies our expressions and combine, as this is arithmetic operator, this is assignment operators, it combines arithmetic and assignment operators and simplifies our expressions. It can be called as this efficiency. It increases the code efficiency. Okay, here it is mentioned these operators make code efficient and readable. This were the simple explanation about assignment and arithmetic operators. Thanks for your attention.